Welcome to Zubik Safari, Sky Safari, Ocean Adventures for Ballroom. Hi guys, so sakrat. Hintay po ako ng pagbaba. Hi, welcome to Field Trip, Ocean Adventures, Zubik Safari. It's an horsey.
Yeah, pakita mo.
Oh guys, bababa na tayo.
Sali mo si teacher. Sali ka.
Ay, vlog yan. Hello!
Sali ako.
Hi! May hipo pa dun. Sabi ko baka meron naman dun. Nagpipicture na siya.
Andito po. Pababa po. Wait lang, Kuya Clyde. Wait lang. Sali mo si teacher Charlotte. Hi! Bublog ikaw?
Opo,
Teacher, andito. Let's go.
tara. Let's go.
Wait lang.
Play kayo.
Eto na kami. Kompleto. May baboy din pala dito. Ito, mga naka-blue. Baboy. So, Kuya Clyde, ha?
It's a horse.
What? It's kaway ka kay Ma'am Jess. Hey, ayun si Ma'am Jess.
Hindi mo kukumabaw ka kasi tayo
Ay,
sa
kay Ma'am Jess. Walang mga nakalagay dito. Left side. Huwag mauna. Ay, nakarecord si Clyde. Ay, nakarecord si Clyde. Right, guys. Ay, mga sa vlog mo. Baka yung mga sa vlog ko. Hello.
Hello.
Ellie, hala si Ellie.
Wait, crocodile! Agis yung tablet ko sa crocodile.
Crocodile? Do you want crocodile? Pakain kita kay crocodile?
Kahagis ko sa tablet ko.
Ay, no! Bakit ihagis ka? Ito yung pinakamalaki. Bakit ka nakain mag-isa lang?
Sasakay na ako. Lager pa. Lager ka pa. Guys. Sasakay na ako. Hey guys.
Why? Tuloy tayo dyan sa teacher Kayla.
Balik tayo.
Dito.
Kaka-vlogger na ako.
Hello. Lahat po. Batch number 3.
Hey guys.
Gawa kay teacher
Vlog
Kayla.
na po ako.
Gawa kay teacher Kayla. Okay,
Sabay-sabay na eh.
Tingnan mo. Oh my God! It's so good! Kasi kakatulad. Oh, yeah! That's how
Red shark. It's a baby shark.
Kuya Marcos.
It's a baby shark. Wow. Look.
By the way, I'm Officer Team, and this is my partner. His name is Early. Okay, Early, so they were sweet smiles. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Officer Ruth, and this is my partner.
Ay, wow. How about talagang flower? 180 higher.
Nala. Ano, Nala? Now, our dolphins are very friendly animals and they would like to welcome you with a nice wave hello. Come on guys, say hi. Come on everybody, say hi. Alright.
Ang unique nila, ang unique.
Hello guys. Nice. Now, ladies and gentlemen, whales, dugongs, and dolphins.
Hello! Alright, well, I'm Professor Parker and welcome to Ocean Adventure Academy. You know, all year long we teach important lessons about taking care of the animals and protecting the environment. And I have some very good friends that's gonna help me make learning fun.
Wow, it's a go. So guys, sakayan tayo ng bus.